Synopsis for the eastern Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Iowa. Low pressure centered over central Nebraska will move northeast into western Iowa by Monday afternoon, and into western Wisconsin by Monday night. A warm front extending north from the low will be found across the eastern Dakotas overnight. By Monday morning, the front will be across western Minnesota, and the front will reach the Minnesota-Wisconsin border by early Tuesday morning. This front will be associated with the rain-snow line as the storm system moves through. Overnight, patchy light freezing drizzle or drizzle will be possible in eastern South Dakota, western Iowa, and southwest Minnesota ahead of the low pressure. Monday morning, snow will fall across the eastern Dakotas, and northwest and west-central Minnesota. Rain will fall across the remainder of Minnesota, Iowa, and west-central Wisconsin Monday morning. Between Monday afternoon and Monday evening, rain will be changing to snow across central and northeast Minnesota. By Monday night, all but the eastern half of Wisconsin will see periods of snow. The eastern Dakotas and western Minnesota will also experience blowing and drifting snow Monday night. Lows overnight will range from the upper teens across eastern North Dakota to the mid-30s in central Iowa. Highs on Monday will range from the lower 20s in central North Dakota to the mid-40s in central Wisconsin. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west-central Wisconsin. For tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. A mixture of rain and snow is expected to overspread the area by Monday afternoon as low pressure moves into the region. At this time, precipitation is expected to remain all snow for parts of west-central into central Minnesota, where locally 6 inches or more of accumulation is possible. Further south and east, temperatures remain warm enough to allow for precipitation to stay as rain Monday, with a transition to snow sweeping across the area from west to east Monday night. This will result in a dusting to 4 inches of snow falling for the rest of central and southern Minnesota into west-central Wisconsin through Tuesday night. There is the possibility for another round of accumulating snow across the outlook area Friday into Saturday as another area of low pressure moves across the region. Spotter information statement. Skywarn spotter activation will not be needed. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Overnight, partly cloudy. Lows around 35. Southeast winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Monday, cloudy with a 50% chance of rain. Highs around 40. Southeast winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Monday night, colder. Rain and snow in the evening, then snow overnight. Snow accumulation of 1 to 4 inches. Lows 20 to 25. East winds 10 miles an hour shifting to the northwest overnight. Tuesday, colder, breezy. Cloudy with a 50% chance of snow. Highs 20 to 25. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Tuesday night, colder. Mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 10 above. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. And now for the extended forecast. Wednesday and Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 20. Lows around 10. Thursday and Thursday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-20s. Lows around 15. Friday and Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of snow. Highs around 30. Lows around 20. Saturday and Saturday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of snow. Highs in the mid-20s. Lows around 10. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs around 20. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for overnight, partly cloudy. Lows around 35. Southeast winds 10 to 20 miles an hour.
This is the Twin City metropolitan area weather radio station, KEC65, serving a portion of east-central Minnesota and west-central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, on an assigned frequency of 162.55 MHz, and transmit from the KSTP television tower in St. Paul. The current time is 12:26 a.m. Central Standard Time.
At midnight in the Twin Cities it was cloudy. It was 42 degrees, or 6 degrees Celsius. The dew point was 31. The relative humidity was 64%. The wind was south at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 22. The pressure was 29.71 inches and falling. Around the metro, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 42 at St. Paul, 43 at Blaine, 41 at Eden Prairie, and 37 at Lakeville.